Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. After that, I am going to pick one card to check what actions your partner can take towards you in next coming 10 days. Okay, so this reading is going to be for the first 10 days of August month. Okay, so we have 9 of Cups, the Devil, the Chariot. Okay, Capricorn, this is your current energy, 9 of Cups. It seems like you have touched the treasure. It seems like you have everything in life. Okay, it seems like you are enjoying the best time of your life right now. Okay, because you have everything. That's why you are being very, very happy. You are happy, you are content. Okay, in terms of love, in terms of emotion, in terms of financial abundance, you are blessed. Okay, on the other hand, we have the Devil. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person is being manipulated by some people. Okay, this could be a third party situation also, Capricorn, that your person must be dealing with someone who is not good for their mental health. This person can be from their professional front, this person can be from their personal life, but someone is there in their life which are manipulating them, and they are feeling absolutely confused what to do now. So this person is acting like a puppet right now. Okay, so the action which your partner can take towards you in the next coming 10 days can be this Chariot. It could happen that in these 10 days they could start feeling that, why am I being manipulated by somebody else? This is my life, I need to run it on my own. I am free to take any kind of decision for my life, for my future. So once this situation, or once they are going to hit this reality, they are definitely going to take some action towards you, and most probably they must be feeling in the same manner. And with this Chariot card, it seems like within the next 10 days they can start something new. Start something new, as in they can move towards you, or they can be out just from this Devil energy. Alright, so yeah, so it seems like, Capricorn, that you are dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have Cancer in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with Cancer, and we have Capricorn also in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with Capricorn too. Okay, so Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.